So the fan's on. It's a little loud in here, but big change here this morning. Dad's got the tracks off the Bombardier. He'll be able to inspect all the axles, and he's going to take a look at everything: bogies, chains, springs, and tracks have to come off anyways, or at least adjusted, because they were on incorrectly. And so this is actually quite a bit of progress for the morning. So we're going to take a quick walk around here. Dad will do a walk around later on with me. Looks like everything's been greased, and I don't know if that's come off yet and back on, but there's quite a bit of effort being put in here. So the tire did have to come off. We just took a sledge to the back of it just to loosen it up a bit, and they're going to do their inspection. So quite a bit of progress here this morning.
Well, it's just more trouble.
Okay.
These bearings all have to be changed. It needs all new races, bearings, and seals,
Okay.
because they're wore out.
Yeah. Every single one of them so far?
Every one, yeah.
So 8 bearings, 8 races, 8 seals?
No, 16.
16.
2,
Okay.
4, 6, 8, 16.
Okay.
16 bearings and races, and 8 seals.
Okay.
And then I have to check this out to make sure they're all tight. Because whoever doctored on this, like, I don't even know what's behind there yet. I might have to pull these off and see if the bearings are any good.
Okay.
And on this side here, on this one here, the bearing fell, the rollers fell right out of the bearing.
Oh, wow.
So they're all junk, eh?
Yeah.
And the trouble is, if we don't fix everything, he's gonna have trouble here, and then he's got to take the tracks off.
Well, better to fix it in the shop than to fix it 200 miles down the winter road.
There's no cap on there,
Okay.
so that has to come off,
Yeah.
because this whole thing
Oh,
could
wow.
slide off, eh?
Wow. Wow.
So I got to go through everything independently.
Okay. So how much trouble was it getting the tracks off this morning?
Well, he's got it down pat. He's taken a lot off.
Okay. So,
Imagine if I knew what I was doing, eh?
Between the two of us, we got it figured out. So now I'll pull all those, like for instance over here, Ralph. If that one's ready to fall off,
yeah.
I think we should inspect them all.
Well, since the tracks are off, it makes sense, right? Don't
But anyway, I want you to get a hold of them.
Okay.
Show 'em
Yeah.
pictures and tell them what the deal is.
Okay. So now with the supply chain crunch, whatnot, we waited months last year.
We can get these bearings in a week.
Okay. So, but bearings aren't cheap, guys.
Well, you can't help it. You need
Yeah.
them. You need them.
And
It's like putting gas in your car. It's expensive too, but you need it.
yeah.
So anyway, that's where we stand. I just want.
Is this what you expected though, or did you?
Well, when you look at the rest of it, you can pretty well expect it.
Yeah.
Whoever this asshole was is a camouflager.
So again, guys, buyer beware, and Dad can't travel down the road to fix your Bombardier. You got to bring it here.
It's gone.
But you can hire him to travel down the road to inspect something you might want to buy and give you your honest opinion.
Yeah, that
So,
Coop can go. He knows
yeah,
what to look for.
okay.
now.
Any other surprises underneath here?
Oh, well, I haven't looked at the differential to see if there's even oil in it,
Okay.
but we'll check that out. New grease nipples on all the walking beams.
Okay.
New nut on there and cotter pin. Everything is greased. This is all ready.
Okay.
And on this side, we got to put new bolts in
Okay.
because they're bent. This is all good. It's all done, greased to there. But I got to emery cloth these edges down for the seal.
Okay.
If you run your finger on there, you can feel the groove.
Oh yeah.
Okay, new bolts in there, and this axle might be scrap. I don't know if I can fix it or not. This part is good.
Yeah.
This needs a block, but the seal is supposed to ride on here.
Yeah.
And what these guys done, instead of welding back here,
They welded in them.
they welded where seal's got to run. So I'm going to try and salvage it.
Okay. So, do we have one of those in stock? If
I don't know. Might have.
okay. So that was the one that was slipping off, correct?
That's the one that was going to jump off.
Yeah.
There was nothing holding it on the end.
So actually,
You see these caps here? Well, they're
Yeah.
eighth of an inch thick. That's what holds the whole thing on.
okay.
And it was gone. If that would have come off as he's driving, we'll throw the track and he's done.
Okay. So actually, Dad did quite a bit of progress here today.
You know, we spent 8.5 solid hours here.
Okay, Dad's gonna take the phone, but I'll keep going here. He got tracks off. He got all the work that he just indicated there,
Hello.
and
Yes, how are you doing, Jeannie?
and then just kept on working on everything here. Put new grease nipples in for everything there. While we have all that stuff off, Dad figures, well, you might as well put in brand new grease nipples, and there's going to be probably new bearings on everything too, because it's pointless for us to not replace the bearings, races and seals. Like it once the tracks are off, like this is a big enough job, it doesn't make sense to not do the work. So yeah, I'm absolutely shocked at Dad's progress, but he spent all day on this because he knows how much work he has to go on other Bombardiers in the yard. So stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos.